Hi, I'm Christy Steptoe, your midlife maven, and I recently took a health coaching business development workshop. And one of the tips from the workshop that really resonated with me was to not hide behind your business, to be out front telling people who you are, what you do, and how what you do can help them. And that's exactly what I want to do today. So, hello again. I'm Christy, your midlife maven. And in addition to having a bachelor's degree in business administration and marketing, I'm also a certified personal trainer and a certified nutritionist. I specialize in helping midlife women 40 plus to get and live healthy, fit, and well. And I also help midlife women who are experiencing the symptoms of perimenopause and menopause to manage those symptoms naturally with nutrition, fitness, and wellness tools and resources. So, if you're a midlife woman, 40 plus, looking to get and live healthy, fit, and well, tap the link in bio to learn more about your midlife maven and to schedule your free discovery call. I'd love to talk to you.